So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2022 Audi Q7, and I wanted to take a moment to showcase to owners on how they can enable this cool S Performance screen on their Audi Virtual Cockpit and not an S Performance vehicle. So first thing you do is go to the settings screen, go to display and brightness, locate Audi Virtual Cockpit, and right here you can switch between different Virtual Cockpit screens. So right now I'm on that nice bar graph S Performance screen, but going to the classic, this is kind of, you bought your vehicle, this is the screen you had and you didn't know that you had an S Performance screen. This is the S Performance screen I was just on. Then there's this cool dynamic screen as well. Now each of those screens have different views, like normal on the Virtual Cockpit. So this is me pushing the view button. So on the S Performance, it's the different views. And of course on the classic standard view. But I personally like the S Performance screen the most in the standard and S models. I hope this helped you learn how you can quickly switch between the different setting styles on the Audi Virtual Cockpit. Thanks for watching.